Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to share folder or files on Google Drive. You can share folder and file directly to the email address. You can share folder or file to the by links. You can share the links and many more settings you can do. I'm showing my Google Drive. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on Google Drive. So this is my Gmail account, and let's jump into Google Drive. So here you can see I have only files, I don't have folders, so I just create one folder to show you. So I have files like audio file, and this is folder. Okay, so just navigate to the folder and just right click and you can share. Okay, just click on it. So here you need to enter the people email ID to whom you want to share. Okay, so you can enter the message also. You can edit, permission, like you can change. If you want to make it like only views, so you can make it view. If you want to make it commenter, you can make commenter. And editor means they can edit your files or add anything in your files. Okay, so I prefer viewer only. So this is my folder, and I can share from here. If I go in setting, so editor can change permission and share. Okay, so viewer, just send it. So I have sent this folder to this particular email. So after share, you can see this small human icon. You can see means this folder has been shared before. So if you want to check to whom you want to share, just right click on it and just click on view, and you can see you have access. This is you, and this is the another email ID or person where you can share. You have share it. Okay, you can also share by link. Go to the get share link, get the share link, and here you can, this is link, you can copy and you can share anywhere. Like you can share on WhatsApp, you can share on email, and this is a permission you can change, like anyone with this link. So anyone with this link can open this folder. So and you can edit permission like editor, permission viewer, or anything. So navigate here, change the permission if you want, and just done. You have to copy this link and you can share it. Okay, now go to the view details, and here you can see first email ID, and this is a link that you have shared. Okay, so you can add description, Google Drive, and there's any other option you can make it, like you can download. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.